remember before when I used to drive with my mom when I was like 18 or 19 yata. She would panic so much that she would, yan, when it's that close, ganun siya. I'm like, Mom, calm down.
Oh, now you know what it feels like.
Yeah, but me, I'm like, ganun. Okay, we're in JP Rizal, and now it's time for real practice, wherein I let you drive, I let you make the choices. I will just remind you to like look at your mirrors, do your signals, but I'm already hoping at this point, after 2 years, you already have the instinct for that. Let's chit chat for a little bit because we're in a special car, and I want to talk a little about. I want to talk a little bit about the environment. This is something that I talk a lot about on social media, especially on Instagram. If you guys are following me there, you have probably seen me post like how to reduce your carbon footprint, right? It's important to lower your carbon footprint so you lower the negative impact that you have on the earth through the choices that you make as a consumer. Reducing your use of single-use plastics, making more mindful choices as a consumer, so buying more natural products.
Natural is important because it can biodegrade.
Yes,
right?
yes, it goes back into the
It
earth.
goes back into the earth.
That's what I wanted to say.
It doesn't just end up in the landfills.
Because we do have a landfill problem here in this country, right? And another problem that we have in this country is pollution. We really kind of don't have very many choices when it comes to transport. A lot of the transportation that we have available to us now, we burn fuel, and that is a huge impact on the environment. Yeah, okay, so I think we should give like our super quick tips. Now let's just give like a quick
Okay, let's
tips back and forth of how people can be more eco-friendly.
Okay.
Okay.
Mine would be to always bring a shopping bag with you inside your bag so that you don't have to bring plastic and use plastic. I have that too.
Tumbler everywhere. I always bring a water tumbler and a coffee tumbler.
I have made it a conscious decision to shop more vintage, to shop for more sustainable finds and sustainable brands when it comes to my clothing.
Oh my god, this is one that I really love because people still find me weird when I do this.
What?
I bring plastic containers to the supermarket.
I mean, I'll be honest, that's next level na. So that's probably my next challenge. Another way to be more sustainable, make it a habit to recycle. So I think that in the Philippines, hindi uso ang recycling. So, you know, if you have those glass jars, plastic containers, don't throw them away, reuse them.
I think my last thing would be, of course, if you're in the market to buy a car, go with a car that is fuel efficient, therefore reducing your carbon emissions.
It's kind of similar to, I guess, buying a
Inverter appliances.
Yeah, diba? So parang
it costs a bit more.
It costs a bit more,
Yeah.
but in the long run, it's huge savings, right?
Oh, you know, I just learned something about this car today. For the luxurious feel of it, they did like a button testing thing, and when you press the buttons of a Mazda CX-30, you're supposed to feel joy and get aroused. Okay, Sam, so now we are ready for your practice. We're just gonna find a place. This is Sam's first time, the wilderness. Oh, use your spatial measurements. My heart is leaping a little bit, like when we're getting close to the vehicle in front, but I can feel you realizing and you're stepping on your brakes, so I'm not reacting. But my heart is like going up to my throat. This is important foresight as a driver. I will tell you why now you should stay on the right side of the road, because the cars on the left, there's a traffic light there and there's an enforcer there, and the cars on this lane are gonna make a left. So the cars on the right lane are for the ones going straight under Guadalupe. Yeah. Kasi when you approach the traffic light, it's gonna be harder for you to switch lanes na. So as soon as you can, go back into this lane.
Nako, tingnan mo to, lahat nagka-counterflow, tapos ako yung binubusinahan. Ah! At mamatay. Sorry, nagka-counterflow.
Yeah, so since now you're a good driver, next time we're really just gonna focus on parking. We probably won't move around so much, but
Yeah.
we will get you to that level of parking perfection wherein it's second nature to you. Like parallel, kaya ko yan. Perpendicular, kaya
Yeah.
ko yan. That was great, Sam. I'm super proud of you. You did a really good job. Like I barely gave you any instructions except for the occasional. We want to know what you guys think of Sam's learning experience driving. She learned from A1, so leave a comment below and let us know what you think. And if you have any suggestions of what kind of routes we can take or road trips we can do, please let us know.
I really want to be a seasoned driver, guys. This is gonna be it's really my goal. So if you have some challenges that you want to put me through, comment below.
And subscribe to this channel, like this video,
Don't forget to hit the bell to make sure that you get notified when we upload new videos.
and follow us also on social media. Riding in Cars with Girls has its own Instagram, and follow me also, Bianca_King.
And follow me, Sappy Rodriguez.
And Facebook also, Riding in Cars with Girls. And Bianca King Official.
Ang dami.
Ang dami. Dami ko social media. Alright, bye!
Bye, guys.